Hello class, welcome again to our math session. So last time we discussed or we solved right triangle given the length of hypotenuse and the length of one leg. And this time we'll be discussing or we'll be solving right triangle given the length of the hypotenuse and the measure of one acute angle. Okay, as you see the figure on the board, the right triangle ABC above has line AC or side AC as its hypotenuse and angle C as its one acute angle. And angle B is a right angle. Okay, can you tell the missing parts of this right triangle? Okay, to determine the missing parts of a right triangle ABC, remember that there are three sides and three angles in a right triangle. Okay, so what are the three missing sides and what are the missing sides and missing angles of a right triangle ABC? Okay, so the three sides, AC is the hypotenuse, which is given. The side AB, or the one side or one leg, the missing side. And another missing side is the side BC. Okay, again, the three sides of a right triangle ABC are side AB, side BC, and side AC. And what are the three angles? The three angles are angle A, the acute angle, which is a missing angle. Angle B, the right angle. And angle C, another acute angle, which is given. Again, there are three sides and three angles in a right triangle. Example. Find the measurement of the missing parts of a right triangle QSR. Okay, so as you see the figure, angle S is a right angle. Angle Q and angle R are acute angle. So what are the given? So the given are angle Q, which is equal to 40 degree, and side S is equal to 28. Now, what are the missing parts we need to solve? So the missing parts are angle R, side R, and side Q. Okay, so first determine what is R to angle Q and what is Q to angle Q. Okay, so again, our mark angle now is angle Q. And atbang sa angle Q is the side Q. So therefore, small letter Q is our opposite. Ang atbang is opposite. Then small letter R is adjacent to angle Q. So R is adjacent to angle Q. So small letter R is our adjacent. And angle R is one acute angle. Acute angle. And always ang atbang sa right angle mo to si hypotenuse. Si S is our hypotenuse. Okay, now we can now find ang angle R. Find angle R. So remember that two acute angles of a right triangle are complementary. Again, two acute angles of a right triangles are complementary. Meaning, ang sukod sa duha ka angle dapat ma-equal sa og 90 degree. Again, ang sukod sa duha ka acute angle equals 90 degree. or the sum of two acute angles is equal to 90 degrees. So therefore, angle R plus angle Q is equal to 90 degree or complementary. Okay, so angle R plus angle Q, which is 40 given. 40 degree is equal to 90 degree. Now, to find R, combine like terms. Angle R is equal to 90 degree. Move positive 40 to the right, it will become negative 40 degree. So, angle R is equal to 90 minus 40, we have 50 degree. So, the measure of one acute angle, which is angle R, is equal to 50 degree. So we are done solving angle R, which is equal to 50 degree. Now, let's find side R. Okay. By looking at the figure, side R, again, is adjacent to angle Q. R is adjacent to angle Q. And S is the hypotenuse. Again, to solve the trigonometric ratio, remember the 6 trigonometric ratio, the mnemonic words, SOHCAHTOA. So R is adjacent and the given side is S, which is the hypotenuse. So adjacent and hypotenuse, adjacent hypotenuse is cosine. So therefore we use cosine. Cosine theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay, now substitute the latter. Cosine Q is equal to adjacent R and hypotenuse S. And S is our hypotenuse. Okay, now substitute the given or the value. So cosine Q, which is equal to 40 degree, equals R, which is the missing part. S is equal to 28, our hypotenuse. Okay, now cross multiply. So this is over 1, understood over 1. 1 times R is R, equals 28 cosine 40 degree, or 28 times cosine 40 degree. Okay, so copy R is equal to 28 times pinduta si cosine 40 sa inyong calculator, a scientific calculator. The result is 0.76604444311,898. So, mana resulta kung imong pinduton ang cosine 40. So, R is equal to 28. So, ato na siya i-correct into 4 decimal places. So, 0.1234. Unja, ang sunod sa 0 is 4 man. So, meaning, magpabilin si Zang 0. Pero kung 5 ni si Zang, ang 0 madungagan og 1. So, pero kay 4 man, mo lang mapabilin si Zang 0. So, we will have 7660. Ato siyang i-correct into 4 decimal places. So, now multiply 28 times 0.7660. So, the product is 21.448. And correct the number 2 into 2 decimal places. So, 1, 2, so 4. So, ang sunod sa 4 is 8 man, dako sa 5. So, meaning, madungagan si 4 o gusa, so mahimo na siyang 5. So, our R now is 21.45. So the measure of side R, which is the adjacent, is equal to 21.45. Tag-solve the missing side, which is R. So ang sukod ni R is 21.45. Okay, this time, we'll find the last missing parts, which is the side Q. And we all know that Q is opposite to angle Q. And the given is side S, which is the hypotenuse. Remember again, the soka towa, pwede kalimtan ang formula nga gamiton. Okay, Q is opposite and the given is hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse. So we need to use so. Opposite hypotenuse, can sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Now substitute the letter. So sine Q is equal to opposite small letter Q and hypotenuse small letter S. And sunod is substitutan sa value. Sine Q given, which is 40 degree, is equal to Q, missing parts or missing side, over S. S is 28. Now cross multiply. So Q is equal to 28 times sine 40 degree. So Q is equal to 28. Now, pinduta ang sine 40 sa iyong scientific calculator. Ang mogawas is 0.6427876096865. So again, mo na mo gawas, inag-press ni mo sa sine 40. So now, find the product. So i-times ni mo. But before that, ato sa sisang i-correct into 4 decimal places of 0.1234. So we have 642. Pero kay sunod sa 7 is 8 man. So manugangan si 7 o usa. So manang mahimong 8. So multiply. So 28 times 0.6428. The product is 17.9984. And now correct it into 2 decimal places. Or round up to the nearest hundreds. So we have 18. So the measure of the missing side, which is Q, equals 18. So we are now complete in finding the missing parts of a right triangle. So the missing sides are angle R, which is equal to 50 degree, side R, which is 21.45 degree, and Q, which is equal to 18. Okay, so I hope you've learned our discussion this morning or this session. So, for your activity, answer activity 1, 2, and 3 found in your last. Okay, thank you and God bless you all. Bye-bye.